I just knew that you don't need CapCut. I don't need CapCut to just move off. You don't need CapCut because you can just take a video of like video this. Then next video will be this. Was also say. Then go to YouTube and like put the first one in. Then the second one after the first one is done. Like look at this. Motion to see, like you just need. You don't need CapCut, but I might need CapCut but I don't know editing. I don't know how to edit. I'm just 8 years old, but yeah, that's all. I don't know. But I don't know. Want some? Here.